Yes, good morning, guys. Thank you so much. So today is Sunday. I would like to make another video about the soundhound AI and some of the other stocks which is related to soundhound that we need to watch when soundhound cars break out. I was watching, but I was wanted to see soundhound breaking this area. This is the one of the area that I was saying, guys. We need to break and stay above. So when you break it, guys, sometimes breaking and closing above it. So remember, this is the 100 moving average, which is, guys, we break on we started on Wednesday pushing around 50% or 30%, and then Thursday it went up here, closed at red, and then on Friday we closed with a huge volume. So guys, that's the one of the achievement to stay above that area. And this, guys, when he saw the previous months when he was pushing from $3 to $6, like we didn't stay above with like 100 moving average, it was our huge resistance. But finally, you see, we closed above 2 days consecutive on Thursday and Friday, which is, guys, when you see on charts, like we have several charts, MACD, like I like to use nowadays MACD because will tell you when stock is going to go down and when stock is going to push high. So guys, what will be our next resistance now, because we have already breaking out? So are we going to load it or are we going to sell? So for me, this is the right time to buy and hold it. So when you use the same time frame like daily channels, we saw when the stock breaking 200 moving average here on February 2024, that's we saw this went all the way from $3 or even $1. Is it? Yeah, 2024. And this, guys, this stock take within 1 month reaching $10. So, and if the same thing is going to happen here, so we are going to break $10. Remember, we will be targeting around $16 to $30 on a soundhound. So for me, I can say this is the right time to buy, because we know market is say the small cap stocks is going to be rocketing, and now at least you are acknowledged this is the right time, guys, because you might be already. I was making another video on another YouTube channel. I say this thing, if you didn't buy around this 380 with this year, okay, it's right, you have already you miss around 64%, but you are on better place because you make sure the stock is above on this moving averages. But above it we call bullish, below it is bearish. But right now it cannot matter, because this thing is going to be more than $30. Soundhound is going to be hit $30, and I hope when earnings coming is not going to affect these stocks, because earnings is going to come on next Wednesday on 7th, and I believe next week or from tomorrow Monday, this thing is going to take rocket. Like, guys, if you remember how Tesla break out, it was huge. And another stock which is I like to talk when we talk about Palantir. Palantir also is the one of the stock which is Palantir Technology is the one of the stock which has been consistently stay above this area. So like some the past days we are talking is Palantir was going down now, but finally Palantir break this resistance, which was around 27. You see, it pushed up there and it was acting like a support on Friday, which is close about 28. So where with Palantir, I'm targeting Palantir between $40 to $50 before, if they will go to consolidate. So this breakout, this is also a line of the downtrend, and right now we are on the line of uptrend. We break our top resistance, and I believe this thing is going to keep that momentum, and this one is going to be acting like our support, uptrend support. It might going to meet somewhere, and Yeah, so when stock move, remember this stock is moving like this, uptrend like this, and this thing is also moving like this, and that one is going to be acting like our uptrend support. Another stock which we need to, I don't know, AI, which is 3, is it 3C AI? Guys, this one, it pumped some pack days, and even me guys have been not be following much, and we saw we have some this uptrend on Z3 AI. So you see this uptrend line, and this thing guys is above the resistance, uptrend resistance or moving average, and we saw on MACD here is forming some bullishness. We need volume push C3 AI to be. Guys, I think C3 AI is easy to hit more than $200, because this thing guys, if you remember, let's see the history on the Z3 AI. When you see this C3 AI, it's just like in Palantir has been there, and I can say we don't have that attention. And when you use the monthly, you see we have this a downtrend channel, which is still we need to break that downtrend channel. I think that's another reason the stock has not been pumping, because yes, it's on the uptrend line, but has not yet break downtrend. Like you see long time frame, you see that long time frame, which is acting like a resistance on weekly. But you see on weekly, is telling you guys this thing is going to be rocketing. That is C3 AI. Another one, which is people, guys, remember everyone is looking stock which is associating with Nvidia, and we have this RXRX. Remember this is a pharmacy stock, and also remember all of this. When you talk about the pharmacy, you are talking about remember most of them is using AI. This one, it has a double bottom here. Previous months hit around $4, went all the way above 15, I can say around $17, and they went to make that a double top here, you see, which is acted like a resistance around $15. And remember guys, this is the one of the best thing, is the one of the candidate that people are saying Nvidia is going to invest. Remember guys, some of the health stock is always it's not pumping. If it was pumping before, and when you use the weekly, you see the chart, the stock is very bearish, but the stock pushed 14% on a Friday. Remember, if you ask me what time we will buy about this stock, I will not load only on daily. So I'm always using, I have to need to, when I buy stock, I have to watch on MACD on a weekly. And in next 3 weeks, if the stock will break $9, but I have to confirm on weekly that stock is bullish. Like here, you see stock started here, you push all the way from $4 to $7 when MACD went to, it turned green, and they push it from that area at $7 to 17, but which is you will not miss that pump. But right now you still point the downside. That's why okay, I have to hold it, hold, because maybe we'll be faking out, pushing the stock, hitting this resistance around $8 or $9 here, and we'll reject it again. So I wish, or I would like to see seeing the stock pushing. So when you see on here on daily now, so this is what's interesting again on daily, because when I was watching 3 days ago, because I've been tracking soundhound and the stock that which one is going to break out. So when you see right now on tomorrow, this stock is going to break out. On MACD is telling you it's going to turn green, and likely you will see hitting $9 or $10 easily on this week, and it's going to break out, and it's going to be now time to buy. So okay, another question now you ask yourself, and if this thing will break out, where would be heading, because we need to see the future. So if you want to see the future on remember guys, if you google which stock you want to buy right now, most of the time you'll see this one, even like steer or hey, which stock is buy right now, it will tell you Rokution Pharmacy is the stock to buy. So, and if you have the extra money, you need to load on this stock, buying a long time. Even you call which stock Nvidia is going to invest, like Nvidia you want to buy, and most of them, you have soundhound, you have this one, and most of them, I think I need to do some video about the stock, and so those are the three stocks that we need to see very soon pumping. So I have a lot of stock, and you will not able to buy all of them because sometimes you need. But this stock should be the one of the best time to buy if you will able to buy tomorrow. C3 AI, RXRX, and soundhound. So guys, let's see the fat of the stocks, which is